So let's have a start to do the CRUD operation for the address information. We try to generate the address to new address generations, office type address, calls road test road, and road type primary, and house number 3444, and postal code in Germany. So then we create the office, the address information. So address information is created automatically, and let's have a try to edit one of them. Let's say we edit one of them. This address information. Let's see we change the office 999, and then type 999. So create, and it's updated. You see the updated. You can delete it, this information. So maybe delete this, and you see it's deleted properly. So well, we did all things. We tested our applications, and now we try to build our release versions. We try to release it and packed it as all the application as a jar files. So we hope what you need to do is applications. So we see all the SQL syntax is there, and the information with which record you deleted, and all things information is there. So and if you don't like to put it this information to the to the server, to the end client, then you can like set it is like the SQL DLL is false, then is automatically don't logged in this information, the SQL level informations. So now we need to build the Java versions. Just what you need to just, because it is a Maven based tool, building tools, Maven based projects, then you just go to here, then install, and then it is automatically create the target folder and jar files. So here is I already created the jar files. You see the jar file is here, the version number 001.1, and now you need to copy these versions to give it to your installation department. Then they can execute or they run the jar files to the client machines. So let's have a start to how we already said that there is the concept of Spring Boot profilings. I already did the different. I already show you how the 5 environment is set is here. This is the information, the 5 environment. So if the installation department try to install the application to the production environment, they will change this information to the user database name, use database user and password, and so which port application has fee. Then they just run the jar files in the jar command. I will show it here. You can see the environment settings. So the configuration file, you should give these files and these files, this the environmental CMD files or batch file, and also the start service batch file. Then it's automatically the installation department, they will change the port number and the host number where which computer they try to install the applications, and this is your released our versions. This is the version 00.1.jar. So and then you try to install because we are working in development environments, you try to install the application to the development environment. If you try to application to the production, just change it here, and this is the database URL, and this is the database username and password, and then you need to change it, and then you call your environmental setting and run the jar applications to the command line. So if you go to the command line and see the informations, there is the environmental setting files, and then they will run the start service, the start service command, and then application will be started automatically. Let's run let the start service. So I started the service with based on our configuration. What I said, we set the port number, we set the machine number, and we set the database name and database user, and that's all. And then it should be there. Now application is installed in locally at the moment, but you can install the same way. You see the production and the development environment application install, and with the 8087 port. So 8087, the application initialized. So application, because we need to stop the our Eclipse because it's already running. That's why that's giving a message. So give it to up and then a little bit clear up and again set start to the application. So let's say it's properly generated the all necessary mappings and tables and all necessary JND the sublet context path, and then the application is started here. So we see the application, and then you need to do same thing here. As it is, the application you need to do the CUD operation, and then after that, if the installation is done, even though in the client machines, and the installation department has to be changed the computer name, the domain, and the port number, and the application name. And if they try to run you test Selenium, just you record the Seleniums and give it to them if the installation is done on the client side, and then they will install the application to the client machines, and they do the same test in the client machines, and after that they will go live with that one. So all the information for my this development, you can go directly into my channels and subscribe it and push it in the bell button. Then you can get it up to date videos from my side. Please comment something. Then that's help for my better doing better, and also to share with the other guys that they can develop their skills. And on my source code, you can get it. My source, you already get it. My channel is there, YouTube channels. So you get it here. You get it here. All the videos, and then you see that there is a lot of videos there. In total, almost 70 videos with the different technologies, microservices, and view technologies, and then all things is there. So there is the API registration, microservices based on the SOAP, based on the REST APIs, and then all things is there. And there is a lot of many mapping applications you can play with that one to look for that one. And you can get the source code from the GitHub, and there is a 27 projects is up to the master branch. You can get it here. You can see that that's the project, the source code you can get from here. That's we discussed already here. This project is here. This is the JSP project. You can download, clone it, and then play with that one. Just you need to change your database informations, and it's just work automatically. All things information is there. So I think you enjoy this development, and please subscribe the channels, and then comment in the YouTube channels, and that's help the my skills, or how can I say, to share all of them. And thank you and goodbye, and see you later. Bye bye.